Welcome to video series on acid-base balance. The first video is on acid-base pH. What are these acids? Acids are substances that are capable of donating proton. Consider this example, dissociation of hydrochloric acid which dissociates as H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Now hydrochloric acid is strong acid and it dissociates completely. Consider this one, carbonic acid which dissociates as H plus ion and bicarbonate ion. Carbonic acid is a weak acid and it dissociates incompletely. Now what are bases? Bases are those substances that can accept protons. Consider this example, ammonia accepts hydrogen ion and it becomes ammonium ion. Consider this one, bicarbonate accepts hydrogen ion and gets converted to carbonic acid. What is pH? pH is negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration as expressed by Sorensen. The pH ranges from 0 to 14. When the hydrogen ion concentration is high, the solution is considered to be acidic and pH is usually less than 7. And when the hydrogen ion concentration is low, the solution is basic or alkaline and the pH is more than 7. Consider this Henderson-Hesselbach equation. So the dissociation of acid HA dissociates as H plus ion and A minus ion, cation H plus and anion A minus ion. So the dissociation constant K is given by concentration of cation plus anion divided by undissociated acid. Applying log on both sides, log K is equal to log cation plus anion divided by undissociated acid. So log Ka is equal to, we can also write in this format, log Ka is equal to log of H plus ion and log of anion divided by undissociated acid. So interchanging the LHN and RHS sides, so minus log H plus is equal to minus log Ka plus log of anion divided by undissociated acid. So we all know now minus log H plus is nothing but pH and minus log K is pK of that particular acid plus log of anion by undissociated acid. Now this is Henderson-Hesselbach equation. This is how we derive this equation. Now what happens when the pH changes? There occurs change in protein configuration, uptake and release of oxygen, enzyme activity is altered. This also alters the excitation of the cell and contraction of actin and myosin. So the easy mnemonic to remember the pH changes is POEM. Now the major threat to pH comes from the acids that are generated during the metabolic process, and these acids are of two types. Volatile acids generated around 20,000 milliequivalents per day. So the most important volatile acid generated is carbonic acid, and fixed acids, the second type, they are produced in the range of 60 to 80 milliequivalents per day, and these include sulfuric acid which are generated during metabolism of sulfolipids, sulfoproteins. Next one is a phosphoric acid generated during metabolism of phospholipids, phosphoproteins and nucleoproteins. Lactic acid generated as a result of anaerobic glycolysis, and keto acids, mainly acetoacetic acid and beta hydroxybutyric acid, generated during starvation. Now this is the normal pH range between 7.35 to 7.45. So when the pH falls below 7.35, the condition is known as acidosis, and when the pH increases more than 7.45, the condition is termed as alkalosis, and the survival range is between 6.8 to 8. So this was all about acid bases and pH. So next video will be on regulation of pH. Thank you.